Hey, I'm Jasmine with WTI, and today I'm wearing my favorite earrings from Pandora. They are the Pave Heart Hoop Earrings, and I'm obsessed because they are perfect for me. I was looking for something small that my little one couldn't rip off my ears, and these are just perfect. They are the perfect addition to my collection, and you can see how small they are compared to this pen here. They are the perfect size. I love the detail. Even though they're small, they are full of personality. They have the hearts on the sides, and they have cubic zirconia all the way around, which I love, and they're really easy to shut. No more finding the little hole. You can just squeeze them shut and you're good to go. These are the perfect everyday earrings. You can dress them up, dress them down, and they go with everything. So if you're in the market for the perfect gift for that special someone, or if you just want to treat yourself for some cute earrings you can wear every day, definitely check out these Pave Heart Hoop Earrings from Pandora. They are so adorable. They'll look great on anyone, and that's my point of view.